We're going to create a birdhouse. Let's start by making sure with our preferences that we are making a birdhouse in millimeters, and we won't require this person, so we'll click and delete. And let's use the large tool set. So under View, Tool Palettes, choose the large tool set. Here's the large tool set right here on this side. We'll begin with a square, and we'll click at the origin and just start to pull out. Our birdhouse is 75 millimeters by 55 millimeters, so I'll type 75 by 55 and hit return. And you can see down here is where it says 75, 55 for the exact measurements. Now, this is tiny. We're going to use the hand tool here to move it into position, and if you have a scrolling mouse, you can scroll right in like that. We want to make the board 6 millimeters thick, so we'll use the push-pull tool and start to raise, and I'm going to type in 6 return to make it precisely 6 millimeters tall. Now I'll use the orbit tool to get a better view, and now we need to build the house itself. I'm going to use the tape measure tool, click on one side and start to pull in. Now I need to have it 10 millimeters or 1 centimeter from this edge. Click on this edge, pull again. I'm going to type in 10 so I get the exact dimension I need. And in the front, again, 10 millimeters or 1 centimeter in. Now I'll select the rectangle tool, and it will snap right here to the intersection, and I'll start to pull. And I know that I want this to be 55 millimeters by 40 millimeters or 4 centimeters. Hit return, and now we will create a block, and notice how the center block turns polka dotty, and we'll lift that up and make it 60 millimeters or 6 centimeters high. We'll use this tool here to get a better view of the top, and our pencil tool will draw a line, and the cursor will change when we get to, there we go, the midpoint. Click once, stretch it to the other end, and notice how the line is different colors. There is blue, that means it's going straight up. I want to go to this side here. Now it is green. I'm going to click again. So now we've got a line that is perfectly in the middle of that rectangle. We'll use the move tool, and we'll click on this line and try to pull it straight up. I'll know I'm straight up when that dotted line turns blue. It says on blue axis. This means it's going straight up. I want it to be 30 millimeters high or 3 centimeters high, so I'll type in 30 and return. Now it's the exact dimensions that I want.